Hi everyone, I'm Barbara Clemens, Chair of the IDEA Committee, and IDEA stands for Inclusion, Diversity, Equity, and Action.
And I am Tim Ambrose, 2018 President here at Bay East, and we want to invite you out to a very exciting event. We have the author from The Color of Law, Mr. Richard Rothstein, will be joining us to discuss his book in more detail.
Oh yeah, and that's a very powerful book, Tim, because that book outlines how segregation happened with the officials, with the government, and how it was enforced nationwide.
Wow.
And so, we've got to look at that and say, okay, things need to change because it affected home ownership in the Black community and also segregated communities.
And as realtors, we support fair housing. So it's important for us to not only know the past, but understand the future and what we can do to make change. So please come out and join us to discuss this book in more detail.
Yes, and we are so honored to have Richard Rothstein come and talk to us about this book because it is such a powerful book, like I said. So, Tim, we've got some sponsors. Tell us who's sponsoring.
Barbara, we are fortunate to have some great sponsors. We got quite a few from here in California. We have the Bay East Platinum Affiliates. We have the California Association of Black Real Estate Professionals. We have the California Association of Realtors. We have the California Association of Real Estate Brokers. We have the National Association of Realtors. We have Women's Council Realtors of California. And last but certainly not least, our corporate sponsor is Chase Bank.
So wow, those are a bunch of heavy hitters there. And we're so grateful for those sponsors. So we would like to invite you again to this meeting, to this event. It's held October 13th. And it's a virtual event that will be free for all. And we would love for you to join us. You can register at bayeast.org. Thank you. We'll hope to see you.
Please join us.